In this video, I'm going to show you how to change tempo in Studio One. Now, there's actually an easy way to do this by going down here to the bottom, and as you can see here, it says tempo. Now, you can either click on this number over here and you can change it. So currently it's 120. If I go and change this, for example, to 160 and press the Enter key, just like this, it's going to change my tempo, okay? That's the first way, but if you want to tap your tempo, it's super simple. You want to position your mouse down here where it says tempo, and you simply want to start clicking, okay? So it says tap tempo, you can start clicking, and it's going to start adjusting tempo according to your clicks. So you're going to have to click a few times, like 4 to 5, and it's going to start recognizing your pattern. Now if I go and speed this up, as you can see, it's actually going to ramp up my tempo just like that, okay? And of course you can start clicking and then putting in your tempo that way, but if you can't actually get it, you can also manually type it in, press enter, and you've successfully changed your tempo. That's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.